If you're thinking about selling your home in 2024, here are the three most important questions to ask the brokers you're interviewing. And believe it or not, time in the business is not one of them. The number one question is, do you also work with buyers? This is something that's overlooked by most sellers because they don't consider the fact that some realtors work with buyers and sellers, and some only work with sellers or only work with buyers. And when it comes to listing and selling your house with an agent, don't you want them to be looking for a buyer for your home as well? Isn't that kind of the point of hiring an agent to sell your home? Otherwise, why don't you just list it and let the market do its job? If your agent is not actively trying to sell your home themselves, then you should hire a different agent. The second most important question is, what are you going to do to actively try to sell my home? This will help you determine if this agent is just somebody who's going to list the house and pray it sells. Putting a sign in the ground and putting it on the MLS and forgetting about it is not a very good strategy for trying to sell a home. If they're not investing their dollars in marketing your home, then you should not hire them. And if they tell you that they're just going to put it on all of the websites, you should know that that is a standard for our industry. The last question I suggest that you ask an agent when you're considering selling your home in 2024 is, how much experience do you have in my market? Again, I'm not telling you that you should ask them how many years they've been in the business, because people can be in an industry for 20 years and sell one home a year. That's not experience.